So I have a 10X, an X, an XS, and I have an X. And the X fits the design of what I'm gonna replace to the max. So you said you had an XS, you have an X. That's what you have. This is the one you have right here. That's an X. When this boots up, it will say a 10, not a 10S. Unless Ching Lee put these in the wrong box. The screen's the same size, very close. The screens are very close together, but you have a 10, not a 10S. That's why I didn't have no screw for that one. Sure, man. Dude, here's a mistake customer made. Told me she had a 10S. Well, if I didn't order a couple of different screens, like
the sun's in my eyes.
if I didn't